up on my level now. Get up on my face, cause you ain't up on my schedule. I'm getting to the profit. Got a bitch up in the project. Baby daddy won't promise. I do this shit the best. Says don't tell. 24/7, nothing less. I do it for them haters, cause I'm getting money, cause I'm touching hella paper.
All you vibers and you haters, move to the side. Let a real nigga come up and rise. They hating on me, praying on my damn fall. I don't give a fuck. Real bitches, hoes on call. Don't come round me with that hatred. I'm a motherfucking fool and I will expose it. I will hold it, I really get it. Motherfuckers hating, can't see me with it. Yep, I'm about to get buzzed. I told y'all touch that. Profit off everything I do, been making money since I was 2, grew doing the shit. You a punk bitch, hating on me, nigga need to quit. See me rise, see me down. Now motherfuckers ain't even playing around.
You ain't up on my level now. Get up on my face, cause you ain't up on my schedule. I'm getting to the profit. Got a bitch up in the project. Baby daddy won't promise. I do this shit the best. Says don't tell. 24/7, nothing less. I do it for them haters, cause I'm getting money, cause I'm touching hella paper. 24 years old, icebox where my heart beat. Nigga don't start me, bitch don't start me. I don't owe you shit, what you want from me? You want respect, oh you ready to be a G? No you not, you ain't doing shit really. I ain't serve your purpose in this world, no gently. I'm a motherfucking fool, you already know me. Made my mark in the street, yeah I'm a OG. I'm young, but you respect me like I'm 30, nigga. I'm a motherfucking fool, I know you heard me, nigga. Did this all by myself, so I don't give a fuck, nigga, let my nuts go. Bitches say I'm cutthroat, niggas say I'm cutthroat. I don't give a fuck, yeah, I love the super soap. In a bitch mouth like a dentist say, I'm finna drill that feeling out. You ain't up on my level now. Get up on my face, cause you ain't up on my schedule. I'm getting to the profit. Got a bitch up in the project. Baby daddy won't promise. I do this shit the best. Says don't tell. 24/7, nothing less. I do it for them haters, cause I'm getting money, cause I'm touching hella paper.